Very good morning to all of you. This is Lakshman Kumar from Eluru branch, West Godavari. Today I am going to discussing about the chemistry assignment for 8th class students. In that the topic is the metals and non-metals. In that the first one is what is meant by conductivity of heat. What is meant by conductivity of heat? Before that, we have to know about the what is the conductor. Conductor means the substance which allows the electricity or heat to pass through it. To pass through it, it is called as a conductor. For example, the substance which allows the electricity to pass through it, that is called as a electrical conductor. The substance which allows the heat to pass through it, that is called as a heat conductor. Okay, here what they asked, what is meant by conductivity of heat? If you come to the answer, a measure of the ability of a material to allow the flow of heat from its warmer surface through the material to its colder surface. That means conductivity of heat means a measure of the ability of a material. A measure of the ability of a material. Okay, to allow the flow of heat from warmer object to cooler object. Warmer object to cooler object, that is called as a conductivity of heat. Conductivity of heat. Coming to the next one, give examples for conductivity of heat. The next question, give examples for conductivity of heat. Give example for conductivity of heat. When we start the car, we observe after some time the engine becomes hot. So here the radiator is the best example for conductivity of heat. The radiator is the best example for conductivity of heat. So here we write the answer. When we start the car, not only car, any vehicle. When we start the car, after some time, we observe engine becomes heat. Okay, in which the radiator is the best example for heat conductivity or conductivity of heat. Coming to the third one, how does conduction transfer heat? Coming to the third one, how does conduction transfer heat? Generally, the heat is transferred from one object to another object. Both are in contact and both are with different temperatures. The heat which is transferred between the two objects, are contact with each other and the two objects have the different temperature. Then the heat can be transferred from one object to the another object. Generally, the heat is transferred from hot object to the cool object until when both are comes to same temperature. So here we can write the heat transfer from hot object to cool object. Cool object. Here conditions. Two objects are contact with each other. Second one, two objects have different temperatures. Okay, the heat transfer until both the objects are get the same temperature. Okay, coming to the fourth one, what happen when metals and non-metals are react with each other? Fourth one, what happen when metals and non-metals react with each other. So here coming to the answer, what happen when metals and non-metals react with each other? When metals and non-metals both are react with each other, between the metals and non-metals electrostatic bond is formed. Electrostatic bond means the electron transfer from metal to non-metal. Between the two atoms of an element, the electron which is transfer takes place, then the resultant bond is called as a electrostatic bond, which is also called as a ionic bond. So what happened when metals and non-metals are react with each other means simply we can say electrostatic bond formed between the metals and non-metals due to transfer of electron. Coming to the fifth one, explain with an activity observing heat conduction by metals. They asked, explain any experiment which is the heat conduction by metals. Okay, if you observe the diagram, in which diagram, this is the iron rod. This is a stand. The iron rod which is fitted with the stand. This is the spirit lamp. Okay, take one iron rod which is fitted with the stand. Next, these are the pins. Take one iron stand which is fitted with the stand and take a pins which is sticked on the iron rod with the help of the wax. The pins which are sticked on the iron rod with the help of the wax. Next, to take one spirit lamp. The spirit lamp which is kept one side of the iron rod and heat the iron rod. What happened? The iron rod which becomes hot, and the hot which can transfer from one side to another side. When the heat is transferred from one side to another side, the pins simply which is fall down one by one. Simply the pins are fall down from iron rod one by one. So from this experiment we can say that the metals can conduct the heat. Due to the passing of the temperature from hot in a object from hot to cool. Then what happened? then what happened? The pins are fall one by one. I hope you all have understanding today's topic. Okay, thank you for everyone.